Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. You know, the IFS on the latest generation Ford Bronco makes for a great ride on-road, but it creates a weak link off-road, and that's going to be in the factory tie rods. Now we've got a solution for you with Rough Country's HD forged tie rod for the Ford Bronco. Now our tie rod is designed with a 4140 steel ball socket on the inner tie rod. It's also a greasable inner tie rod and contains an internal boot to protect the rack from debris. The forged outer is a 1045 steel, and it contains a ball joint that is metal to metal and fully greasable. This tie rod is no less than 40% larger than the factory tie rod that Ford sends you home with, and is going to provide you with peace of mind and durability on and off-road. So when you're ready to get rid of the weak link in your Bronco's IFS, you're ready for Rough Country's forged HD tie rod. Check it out today at roughcountry.com.